What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over SHIBA INU today, but remember, please hit that like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robin and Webull. But most importantly, hit that like button and subscribe because it helps the channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys want me to talk about next, and I will definitely talk about that. Now, let's go over SHIBA INU and the technical analysis that we have for the day. So right now with SHIBA INU, I drew this yesterday, and I said yesterday how we were going down to the support line of 673, and today we're inching closer and closer to that because we actually broke our previous support line yesterday. And since we broke that previous one yesterday, now we're heading towards this one. Now, after the next support line that we reach, we could possibly rise back up. Yes, we can, but all that depends on Bitcoin. Remember, Bitcoin is like the governance of everything. Right now, we see SHIBA INU at rank 5 or rank 45, not rank 5. It'd be a really good day if it was rank 5. But anyways, rank 45 for SHIB, 5.58% inside of the last 24 hours, down 13.80% down in the last 7 days. So SHIBA INU is still not doing pretty well right now. And as you can see, Bitcoin's dominance still at 44%. So yes, whenever Bitcoin rises back up to 48,000, possibly 49,000, we'll see SHIB probably break this in this resistance here. But hopefully we could actually do that. Now, for now, the support, we're definitely going to reach this support. Now, I don't know when, probably by the end of the day. We're going to reach the support sooner or later, though. That's the point. 0.0000671672672 give or take somewhere around there. That support line 671, that's what the Fibonacci retracement says. But anyways, yeah, the 671 area will be our next support, and after that we'll probably end up all the way down here at the 588 area. That is 0.0000588, and that is a really bad support line if we do go that low. But we were there for a very long time, and it was critical support, so that's why I'm saying it's another critical support line. Hopefully we don't go that low, but let's be honest, the whole SHIB army is losing faith in SHIBA INU, which is causing SHIBA INU to go down faster than what it should go and what it normally would. But anyways, we'll talk about that in a second. Now, we still do have 645,105 people holding SHIBA INU. Hit that refresh button. We'll probably have a lot more. 645,116. So yeah, we had a good amount of people that just now invested in SHIBA INU right there. About 11 people, give or take. But yeah, about 11 people just now invested into it within the last few minutes. But still, the SHIB army is losing faith in SHIBA INU. I'm not saying this just to say it. None of this is FUD. And yeah, none of this financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But yeah, the SHIB army is definitely losing faith in SHIBA INU, and I'll go over that now. So this is the newest post from SHIBA INU on their Twitter. And as you can see here, SHIB army is not too happy. So this first person says nothing is going to happen without normal burning. SHIB army needs to get a proper burn like other coins. Then over here, this person says, how can you understand that if they burn, then they need to have buybacks, blah, blah, blah. And then this person is talking about how they sold their SHIB and they're no longer confident in SHIB. And they're not the only people. Everyone saying this are the same team from a sad I don't even know what they're saying because they have terrible spelling. But anyways, you see the gist of these things. You see what I'm talking about. They say we are in the toilet and we'll stay there until the price manipulation stops. Looking at all the selling at this point makes no sense. Total BS. So everyone is pretty mad on here on the SHIB army Twitter. So over here, they say if they don't implement a burn option, people will start losing hope on the project. And, you know, everyone's just talking bad about it, talking negative. Anyways, someone else says, no, it's up to you to do something. It's not up to people burning it. But what I would say, burning isn't necessarily going to stop all SHIB's problems. It's not going to just make SHIB just randomly go to the moon if it burns. You know, I don't think it's going to stop all the problems. Now, will it help it a little bit? Yeah, slightly. But let's be completely honest. It's not going to help a whole bunch if we burn it. It's going to take more than burning. It's going to take people buying more SHIB. It's going to take whales to stop manipulating SHIB. It's going to take a lot more than just burning it. But anyways, you know, everyone's talking about the burn. This person's talking about the burn as well. So this kind of seems like the main thing that people are focused on. But what they don't understand is that the burning doesn't really stop the price from going down. Well, it stops it from going down a certain point, but it doesn't cause it to go up. So after you burn a certain amount of SHIB, it won't go below a certain point unless everyone sells all their SHIB. But the same thing is kind of vice versa. You know, if you do stop burning the SHIB, it's gonna, you know, it's not, the price is gonna keep going down. Then if you start burning the SHIB, the price isn't going to go up, but it's not necessarily going to go down until the whales start manipulating it again. So the burning really doesn't matter. But it's kind of the same thing that's on everybody's mind. Everyone's talking about how it needs to be burned. So I'm definitely going to leave this all to you in what you want to think about it. Honestly, I think the SHIBARMY is slowly dying out. The only thing that can save it is some Elon Musk tweet or anything, like Bitcoin going all the way up to like 60K and then SHIB following it. Because let's be honest, people are only so bearish with SHIB and spreading FUD about SHIB because the price is down. But the second they see the price start to skyrocket back up because of a tweet or something, they're gonna hop right back on the bandwagon and they're gonna be like, "Look, I told you so. SHIB was gonna go all the way up." So that's usually how it happens. And then all the haters that we usually have stop hating. But anyways, there are a lot of people that are still confident in it. This person says he lost around $2,000, then $1,600, then $1,550, and this person lost a lot of money pretty much. So a lot of people are really mad with SHIB. But anyways, let's get off of the FUD, the fear, uncertainty, doubt of SHIB, because we know it's there, but we have to understand that it's not going anywhere until we get some kind of good major catalyst like Elon Musk tweet or some update to Shiba Swap, something like that. But anyways, SHIB is now available on Webull. I already made a video about this a little while ago, but it was only available for desktop trading. The mobile trading was only in beta, or it wasn't even up for mobile, but now it is in the beta mode for mobile. So now you can trade SHIBA INU on Webull inside the mobile version, but it's only in the beta version. So only a select amount of people can do it. And people are actually mentioning, some people are actually a part of that beta test. Mobile, this person here says mobile version is in the beta test. Anybody that's able to do it on the mobile is because they were chosen for the beta test. So a lot of people were actually chosen for the beta test and they're confirming it. So let me know if you guys been chosen for the beta test on Webull. And I'm not chosen for the beta test on Webull yet, but yeah, a lot of people are. So definitely cool news there that they're actually adding SHIBA INU to more things, even though there's a lot of FUD. They should have did this way earlier. They should have did this before SHIBA Swap even came out, because that would have been way better. That would have been way better for Webull. I mean, it would have been way better for every single exchange that's trying to add SHIBA INU right now, because a lot of people are trying to add it, even though it's losing a lot of its credibility. Now, the next thing, Robinhood is probably going to add it in the near future, and they should have did that way before because, again, it's losing credibility. But if SHIBA INU gets added to Robinhood, that will definitely add a lot of credibility to it, and that would send SHIBA INU to the moon. It would actually help SHIBA INU a lot without having, this whole burn thing going on. So I definitely believe that if we do get listed to Robinhood, this could be one of the only things that turn SHIBA around. Robinhood listing, Elon Musk tweet, or a SHIBA Swap update. Even a SHIBA Swap update, it had to be a really big update for it to turn SHIBA INU around. But mainly the Robinhood listing, and then some burning quite possibly, and then also your Elon Musk tweet. That's the only things that could really bring SHIBA INU up right now. Or some more use cases, like maybe them paying for promotion on the NASCAR thing so they can be on the NASCARs just like Baby Doge did. Something big like that. But unless SHIBA INU has something big that happens in the near future, SHIBA INU will not grow anymore and it'll continue to die down. It'll lose a lot of its credibility and it will continue to go down if they do not do something huge. So yeah, we definitely need a major catalyst here in SHIB, or else we're just going to keep hitting these support lines. Next will be the 671 area, then the 588 area, and then we're going all the way down probably to the 563, 564, give or take, 575 actually. But yeah, that was the lowest point that we had for our SHIB. So let's just see what happens inside the near future. So remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice, but if you do like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.